Hi, welcome to this short briefing. We are going to talk about the Auto Emergency Descent function. Auto Emergency Descent is a new flight guidance function available on A350. This new function uses combined lateral and vertical modes to perform an emergency descent. In addition, and to assist the pilot, the automatic emergency descent function automatically sets the transponder code to 7700 and set the TCAS display mode to below. Let's now have a look at how the crew can use the auto emergency descent function. One possibility for the crew to use the auto emergency descent function is to manually arm and activate the function. To manually activate the auto emergency descent function, the pilot should first press the EMRDESK push button. The auto emergency descent is now armed. The arm indication appears steady on the EMRDESK push button. The EMRDESK armed red message appears on PFD and on head-up display if installed. Then, to engage the auto emergency descent, the pilot must extend the speed brake. The EMRDESK mode is now active on FMA. The managed speed target is set to Vmax minus 5 knots. If previously in nav, the lateral guidance reverts to heading. A right offset of 3 nautical miles is automatically performed along current FMS flight plan leg. The target altitude is set to the highest altitude between flight level 100 and a corrected MORA. As said previously, the transponder code is set to 7700. The TCAS display mode is set to below. At the end of the auto emergency descent, the EMRDESK mode disengages, ALSTAR engages. The aircraft decelerates to green dot speed. That was the description of a scenario following a manual activation. The auto emergency descent function is also able to automatically arm. If the cabin altitude is predicted to increase above 14,000 feet in the next 15 seconds, the auto emergency descent function automatically arms. In this situation, the arm indication flashes on the EMRDESK push button. The FMA displays EMRDESK in blue. A countdown message appears on PFD and on head-up display. During the countdown, the crew has the possibility to manually engage the auto emergency descent function. For that, the crew must simply perform the same actions that for a manual engagement. The auto emergency descent function engages and proceeds now as previously described. We will now talk about the case of a fully automatic activation of the auto emergency descent function. To cover the case of a flight crew incapacitation, the auto emergency descent function is also able to provide a last safety net. This last safety net is provided thanks to an automatic arming and engagement of the EMRDESK mode. At the end of the 15 seconds countdown, the EMRDESK mode automatically engages and the following steps are automatically performed. An auto EMRDESK engage message is displayed on PFD and on head-up display. If not already activated, the flight director, the autopilot and the auto thrust activate. The speed brakes automatically extend. The target altitude is set to the highest altitude between flight level 100 and a corrected MORA. This corrected MORA is the current MORA plus an envelope margin. This altimetric margin takes into account possible low temperatures and low atmospheric pressure. Therefore, the corrected MORA ensure conservative terrain clearance even in the absence of flight crew action. As for manual engagement, the transponder code is set to 7700 and the TCAS display mode is set to below. At the end of the auto emergency descent, the MRDS mode disengages and ALSTAR engages. The speed brakes automatically return to the current speed brake lever position. The aircraft decelerates to ground speed. On PFD and on head-up display, the auto MRDS completed replaces the auto MRDS engaged message. To cover all the possibilities of this new auto emergency descent function, we can also see the case of a TCAS event during an emergency descent. If the autopilot FD TCAS mode engages, the MRDS mode disengages. The autopilot FD TCAS maneuvers are in accordance with the resolution advisory. When the TCAS resolution advisory is completed, the APFD TCAS mode disengages, the auto emergency descent function arms and activates again, if arming conditions are still applicable. At any time, and as for any other APFD modes, the MRDS mode can be disarmed or disengaged by the flight crew. To disarm this function after an automatic arming, the flight crew must press 2 times on the MRDS push button. Pressing 1 time makes the arm indication steady. By pressing a second time, the flight crew disarms the auto emergency descent function. The disengagement can be obtained by selecting another vertical mode. For example, selecting Open DES disengage the MRDS mode. As an instructor, you now have a good overview of the auto emergency descent function. I would like to remind you that even on aircraft equipped with this auto emergency descent function, the pilot can still decide to perform the emergency descent by using the selected guidance on AFS-CP. I hope you enjoy this briefing on auto emergency descent function, and I will see you around for the next one.